So I have two different questions for you. Even though you are in different communities or discourse communities, how are your communities similar out of the three of you?
Well, we're all in management, so we all have to deal with people in different, in communication, different ways. But we're still in management, so there's still things that we all do that are probably very similar, as far as exchanging communication and sharing information that we need to share.
Right. You have to go from different levels of communications, from low technical terms to translating that to higher management terms.
We all manage our work by managing people without being their direct managers. We all have to interact with people no matter what level they are.
Okay. If your communities are located in different geographic locations, like around town or around, the world, how does it affect you and your communication between where those communities are located?
For me, they're all pretty much in the same city. We're just different campuses of the same organization. So we usually will have a conference call that all the different campuses can get on at the same time, or there'll be group emails that go out, or we have meetings that we actually have to go to where we meet with all the different campuses. So we have different ways of doing that communication.
The one thing that I didn't talk about before is that our communication, some of it is handled through conference calls because we're so geographically dispersed in countries all over the world. So sometimes we have to get on conference calls and actually hear each other's voices rather than just reading email and chat messages on a screen.
Yeah, same thing. I have to support people in Atlanta and Frederick, Maryland, in Hawaii, and different time zones. Even Hawaii makes it challenging with 6-hour time difference to schedule a regular conference call. So we have to rely on email communications. But the other locations, we do have to periodically have to get on conference calls because the face-to-face communication is very difficult.
And sometimes you need to hear somebody's voice when a message, as opposed to just reading something, because it has a different meaning when hearing them say something than just reading something that there's no emotion to.
Yeah, we even got to a next level of doing video conferencing, so you can hear them and see their facial expressions.
Okie dokie.